Okay, good evening and welcome to the Alumni Spotlight series of the IR Connect platform. Today we are honored and privileged to have Hassan Ul Bari from BRAC University, who is currently also now pursuing his master's in public health epidemiology at Paris, along with us. And he is a former alumni of the WHO TDR Implementation Research Program from the university. So, warm welcome, Hassan. Thank you for agreeing to speak to us under the Alumni Spotlight series. As you
Uh,
are aware, this
yes.
series basically is an initiative from the IR Connect platform to showcase a lot of our prestigious alumni of the IR WHO TDR program. And we hope that through the narration of their own implementation research journeys, we'll be able to inspire all the fellow alumni. So, once again, on behalf of the entire IR Connect team, as well as the University of Gajamada, who collaboratively are promoting this platform, I extend my warm welcome to you, Hassan. So,
Thank you, Sarin, for inviting me to join this session. And I'm very much pleased that I can attend this session today. And also thanks to you and the team.
it's our pleasure, Hassan. It's our pleasure. And it is my first interaction with you. I have heard that your contributions to the earlier batch meetings was very, very fruitful. So this is going to be a very informal sort of conversation, Hassan.
Okay.
We have not planned it as a very structured interview.
Yeah, absolutely.
Essentially, what we wanted to sort of, have hear from you more on the journey. So let me sort of begin the conversation by throwing up. Hassan, you have had the privilege of being an alumni of the WHO TDR IR program. So, can you kindly share with us your experiences of having gone through the entire program and what has it sort of added to you?
The first thing I want to mention, like I have learned the details of how to conduct research, uh, how to maintain research ethics, and also about the nitty gritty of doing a research. For example, how to design a research tool, how to design a small scale research in a resource constrained settings. Also about data collection, data analysis. Yes, this all of the things I have learned during my time as WHO TDR fellow because we are supposed to do a small scale research under this fellowship, so that we can get our certificate. Yeah, so this is kind of first hand experience to get know about the research world and also public health. And another thing I want to share, like I have learned a lot about contemporary public health issues like tropical diseases, maternal and child health, also health promotion, health communication. This kind of things I have learned from this fellowship and the course I have attended in Bragg James Grant School of Public Health. And I believe that my learning during that time helped me a lot to prosper in my next chapter of the career. So yes, I'm very much grateful to WHO and also to the TDR Global for creating such opportunities for budding public health professionals like me who really want this kind of support and backup.
Thanks a lot for giving us a quick insight on your gains through the program.
Yeah.
Hassan, I believe it must have been a couple of years now since you have graduated from the IR
Yes.
program. And now you are pursuing your public health epidemiology program, masters at Paris.
Yeah.
How has your learnings from the implementation research program translated into your career journey thereafter? I mean, what have you sort of brought on to your work from
I
there?
think like just immediately after my MPH and my implementation research fellowship, I joined the UNFPA, United Nations Population Fund, for their humanitarian and refugee response team. And I served there as a National Health Program Specialist for more than 1.5 year. So yes, during that time, it was a very challenging, and I applied almost all of my learning, what I have learned during the MPH and during the IR fellowship in my job, because I had to work with refugees. I have to work for midwives, and like in the refugee settings, we need to serve lots of people with minimum resources. Okay, so that time actually I applied the learning of IR, like how to get to know people more, and how we can design people centric intervention, people centric public health programs when you have lots of problems in a acute emergencies like refugee crisis. So yes, the implementation research skill, data collection and also action research, the participatory action research, that I also have learned from IR. I applied those skills in my work, in my job, and I got excellent outcome from those implementation of my skill. So eventually, what happened? I led and supervised 4 flagship refugee programs of UNFPA Bangladesh, and I used to what can I say? Like I used to run a program which is around 10 million USD dollar budget. So yes, I felt more confident because I had those skills which I achieved from IR program.